everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to highlight text in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and create a new presentation or open an existing one. Then, go to Insert and click on Text Box to insert a text box. Let's type something like hello. Now I will duplicate this text box to show you the different options to highlight a text. Now, for the first way is to select the text and go to Home and click on this icon here and select a highlight. But as you can see, the number of colors is limited. So you cannot choose any color you like. You can only select one of these colors. So let's go to the second option. Click on the text box and resize it. And now go to Format, and here you can click on Shape Fill. And you can select any color you like. You can click on More Fill Colors to select a color if it's not already in the theme colors. You can use the eyedropper to select a picture a color from a picture. You can even fill the text box with a picture or gradient or a texture. The third way is to click on the text box again and resize it. And here you can select, let me drag this text box here. And in the shape styles, you can select one of the styles. This one, for example. The fourth option is to select the text box and go to Format under the Drawing Tools. And here go to Text Effects or right-click on the text box and click on Format Shape. Now click on Text Options and go to Text Effects. Then go to Glow and here select one of these options. Let's select this one, for example. Here you can select the color or choose the color. Let's select this color, for example, and then click on OK. And here you can change the size and the transparency of your effect. Now, the last way to highlight text is to click on it and go to the Drawing tab, and here select a highlight, or click on Add Pen and here select Highlighter. Here you can choose a color. Let's select this color, for example, and here you can change the thickness. Now you can add the highlight like this. And that's it. I know the last two are not very professional. I know that the last two options are not very professional, but they can solve the problem. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!